Now let's discuss about objection handling from dealer's point of view. Suppose there is repeated complaint in the inverters. Does the company have any replacement policy? Sir, well, our inverters don't face so much problems that needs replacement. Even if such a situation arises, the company supports as per case. Can you give any nearby references? Be prepared for the visit of next day. On the previous evening, always take the references of the nearby dealers and give them before they ask for. Nothing is more important than the reference. If you didn't prepare for the reference, nothing gonna work. What are the terms and conditions for the free inverter? Sir, we assure you that if the customers are explained all the benefits of Shamsi inverter, the customer will definitely bear the Shamsi. Even then, if it doesn't happen, you will be given one Shamsi inverter free of cost for this. You have to email the details every week of every customer visiting your shop from the first day for 30 days on free@utlups.com, so that the company could identify that the customers are shown the Shamsi folder. Okay, fourth one. Doesn't the technology you use is used by the competitor? So mostly customers are unaware about the latest technology and which technology inverters must he buy. So the customer either asks for the inverters he saw in the ad of a celebrity or comes to the shop and asks you for the trending inverter. That time you can convert the customer easily through showing this Shamsi folder. That why should he buy this Shamsi, and you can convert the customer easily. Eating mangoes is sweeter, sir. Why to count the trees? Suppose if anybody starts selling on profit of 100, what can you do? Sir, nobody reduces their margins. If he does so, he will be doing if he will be doing so in his area, but then also he will be trying to reduce the margin of the inverter and sell solar panels and battery on extra margin to sell a full combo only. Even if it occurs, as per information, he will also be tracked. Other brand batteries have a shelf life of 6 months, and if the battery is still in stock, they update the serial number and take the battery to their service center and change it charge it. After the lockdown any period or any such situation, we also support you. How the battery can be charged, this is decided as per the location. How can the dealer gain double margin while UTL is showing less price over online marketing? So the market is built with the dealers only, so we can't work in the market without giving margins to the dealers. So the price mentioned online is mentioned after calculating and adding the dealer's margin also. What if the customers can't buy solar inverter? Sir, if the customers is explained about all these matters, how by investing a small amount of money in solar system, the customer will definitely think of buying a solar inverter. We must make him understand that you don't want to weigh solar panels, but why don't you want to weigh solar panels? Coming time is of solar only, so you should weigh the solar panels now. If still your budget doesn't allow it, you can buy the Shamsi inverter now and install solar panels anytime in future, because now you need to invest only 500 to 700 rupees extra. If in future you are interested to install solar only, solar panels need to be purchased now. If in interest of saving 500 to 700, you buy a normal inverter. Later, whenever you are interested to install solar, you would also need to buy an inverter along with the solar panel. This will cost you up to 4,000 to 5,000, 5,000 to 5,000. Now you need to decide what do you want to choose, saving rupees 500 to 700 or rupees 4,000 to 5,000. If I was in your place, I would have chosen to save 4,000 to 5,000 and install a good performance usual something inverter for my house. If still the customer doesn't understand, let him let him buy the normal inverter. Do you have any schemes for delays? We launch new schemes time to time. You can understand about the schemes at that time. You can explain. For service battery, can I buy any model 100 numbers battery or I have to buy any particular model of batteries only? You can buy any 100 numbers battery of capacity of 150 Ah or more. You will get a service battery, but this scheme will not always be open. This scheme is applicable till December 2020 only. How will the dealers get battery replacement? Sir, if you have approval from the head office, you can replace the battery to the customer from you for your stock. Then you can get the new battery from the distributor with your upcoming order. It is very difficult for more for it is very difficult for me to build 100 batteries in a single lot of a new brand. Sir, you can buy batteries as per your requirement, but you will get the free service battery only on buying 100 batteries. If you buy these 100 batteries till December 2020, then also we can give you the free service batteries. When we provide order to the engineers, what will be the payment process? Sir, you will be providing the account number of the distributor or Shopee. You need to transfer the payment there. I understood all the folders, but who will support in this? You will get 100% of support from the distributor and UTL local staff as well. Will the customer give us this much time to listen to all these things? Sir, if the customer listens about money saving, he definitely gives time to listen. So we are discussing only this in this old folder. How can we save money? By switching to advanced technology solar inverter instead of normal inverter. We only need a few minutes from them. If different customers demand different types of products simultaneously, how can I explain so long detail to every individuals? These folders are made so that the customers don't need to understand much. If you give this folder to a customer, they can clear their 70 to 80% doubt by themselves. Then he will be having some questions that you would need to answer. This will not take much time. This small task can easily be done by your boy also. Then you need to deal for financial matters only. For customers, for customer awareness, they must be given some presentation folder first. If the customer is interested, the customer will place the order. Sir, if you show him the folder, the customer will definitely ask for the inverter. In this case, if you don't have the inverter, this creates a negative impression in his mind. So this folder will only be sent with the orders of the inverter. So one or two inverter can be sold by any way. If not, I am there, I will get it sold. Why should I give replacement from my stock? If given, then can I sell the batteries and will you give me full warranty of the battery? Sir, the company can give you a new battery for replacement to provide the service to the customers as soon as possible, but its warranty card must be mentioned with the remaining warranty time only. The battery you received from the distributor or company will be a new battery. For this, you will get a full time warranty. If your engineer doesn't attend the complaint within 24 to 48 hours of complaint registration, will UTL give a new inverter as replacement? No, sir. It doesn't happen that the complaint is not attended within 24 to 48 hours. If this happened as in the lockdown period, our service team tries its better at 100% to solve the complaint on the phone. Does your distributor always keep the stock available so that we can get product whenever we order? Yes, sir. Our distributor always has stock available because our distributor keeps ordering materials for a vehicle load every 3 to 4 days, and our salesperson help in preparing order for the products, and they also keep monitoring that the stock never ends at the distributor place. What support would the company provide in the marketing and credit other than this folder? There is enough margin in most of our product. UTS is a well-known brand and among the people we give credit limit to the distributor. Distributor can give credit to you from this the credit limit. We can discuss it with the distributor. Other branded companies are not providing any such folders, but they have better dealer schemes that benefit me, and their inverters is also sold easily. I don't need to hard work this much. Now tell me, why should I sell your inverter? So these folders are to reduce your hard work only. Other companies are only providing schemes but cutting off in the materials. They don't tell you any other means of increasing your sales and income. Our company also gives schemes. If I have some enquiries, how would you help me to convert them? Sir, I'll help you with all the means I have. If you have any project order related meetings, you can call me and I will join in the meeting. Do I need to replace the service battery again, or we will get another battery? Sir, a service battery is given so that you can give it to the customer for some time as standby. When the company gives approval for the replacement, then you can replace it and get your service battery back. Thus, your customer will also not get dissatisfied with you. When I am getting more profit on sale of normal inverters, why should I spend extra time on UTL customers when they are already asking for the normal inverter and my profit is almost equal as per the ratio of customers? Sir, you are getting the same margin on a normal inverter, then you are getting only the margin of normal inverter. But when you are selling UTL solar inverter, you are also selling a solar panel and you can also earn the margin of solar panels. If the customer only buys the Shamsi inverter now and not buying the solar panel now, in future he will buy solar panels from you only. Thus you will earn a good margins on the solar panel then also. The situation of electricity is good. There are no power cuts and electricity bills are also not a problem in the villages. So why would they buy solar inverter instead of normal inverter? This can be explained easily to the customer that the coming time is solar. The inverter once bought now will last for 10 to 12 years. It is not replaced often and the electricity rates are also increasing. Initially it was rupees 2 per unit and now it is increased to rupees 6 to 8 per unit, and it will only increases and never comes down in future also. So you can start saving electricity from now itself by installing our solar system. How can I come to know about the latest schemes on time? Sir, the company will keep informing you about the schemes from time to time, and whenever I will visit you, I will also keep you updated about these schemes. Will the company take back the service battery? No, sir. The service battery will be kept with you only so that you provide service to the customer. Do you have the table calendars for the other products also as for the Shamsi, Gamma Plus and battery? Sir, as the company provides, I will keep you providing the folders. This time we are only having the folders of Shamsi, Gamma Plus and battery. You must have more schemes or dealers on inverters. Sir, many schemes are launched time to time. Like earlier, we had a scheme of Bangkok which if the dealer buys 12 SPGs of Sunpack 2525. Now this scheme is closed. Whenever there is a new scheme, I'll definitely let you know. On how many orders the dealers can get the folders. What is the price? You can get the folders from your initial order itself and this is free. Why do the dealers need these folders whereas we can explain these points to the customers without them also? These folders make it easy to explain the points. The customers also understand that the points explains are actual facts instead of dealers boasting. The customer also gets a good impression when the facts are documented in a company's document. I doubt I doubt that if I purchase a battery from you, I would get the replacement in 10 days. Sir, if you didn't get any final decision from us within 10 or so 8 working days, we will give you the replacement. You can check anywhere. No replacement is pending anywhere. Thank you.